This is not a narrative. This is not a story. This is not expression. It's not about the artist. It is structure happening. One line, then another. 6 make a hexagram. A hexagram forms an image. The image reveals the pattern. 象之成也，随其数而立。An image comes into being by the logic of number. The plant dyes the thread. The thread carries the trace. The trace enters the grid. The grid responds. This is not a message. It is a manifestation. 人法地 Man follows earth. 地法天 Earth follows heaven. 天法道 Heaven follows 道 道法自然 道 follows what is natural. This is not a quote. This is an instruction, a structure for making. Thread holds direction. Color follows timing. Each stitch is a placement, not of meaning, but of relation. Stitching does not express, it aligns. 道可道 The Tao that can be spoken. 非常道 is not the eternal Tao. That which can be explained is not what is occurring. That which is named has already shifted. You are not looking. You are being placed. This is the site of alignment, not interpretation. This is structure running.